Alright, here's the second video. This will be much shorter, but I got just temporary, well not temporary, I gotta clean it. Y'all know that shit, I ain't gotta explain it to you. Anyway, that's the box. Everything it does there again does on the back. Now, I got everything working right now. Headliner. I'm gonna figure out tomorrow the lights to wire them to where they a little more in sync. But I think it turned out pretty nice. Still got a little bit of carpet for the side panels, but and I got a lot more LEDs to go on this thing and build my. I'm building a drop down. Anyway, with 6.5 and tweeters on it, and then build a panel for this whole thing. But that's going to be a little bit. That's a neat little gadget, though. It's on remote, so when I turn the truck off. But I'm getting C-Max batteries this weekend, so I'm getting rid of the lithiums, the front. Anyway, that's it.